Okay, so welcome back, guys. I hope you enjoyed the last price action video. The next part will come on Monday, which will cover most of the next topics, which is moving averages, entry, exit, and every other thing related to that. There will be another part which will discuss more about my strategies rather than the price action. Basic price action I don't use. I use, but not that much. I have built some strategies based on few fellow traders like Darvas, Gulamagi, Stockbee, and I have combined much of their trading work done in this industry, and I combined it and made some changes to work it for me. So I will teach you some of those. Other than that, I will. This will be a short video. I will only show you my watch list. Okay. So then this one is still in my watch list. ICHR Motors stock is extremely stock is trading in a huge range, and it is building a base. You can see here. This one is a huge base, and in 1 or 2 days, or maybe in this week only, it can break out and go higher. The next one is Heritage Foods. Stock is made a huge move. I'm not that excited about this one because it is still short, not a big base. And the other one is GoKex. GoKex looks good because it had earnings, recent earnings, and it gapped down, then reclaimed at the 50-day moving average, so it is called strong. So I am looking forward to it. Next watch list is DBL. Again, no changes made in this watch list. Man Infra, still the same stock made a huge move, trading near all-time highs. Let's see what does it do next. If it goes down below around this region, so I will remove it. Okay, so the next one is Valant. Stock was trading around this. You can see this region. Stock was trading around 239k volume. Suddenly it started trading 4 million. So it is having some momentum here. Next one is Max Industry. Again, stock with a huge momentum. The next one is IFGL Exports. Again, stock was trading. This one is of low volume, so I might not enter with full size. But again, stock is trading near all-time high. This was the previous high it had. It broke out of that, and it is continuing its momentum. The next one is Indian Bank. I am holding this. Let's see if it goes above this region. So I am gonna add more. And again, HBL Power. Stock made a huge move and made a 3-day sideways move. Let's see if it breaks out. Again, stock trading in a huge base. Here it is. Currently going sideways. Let's see if it breaks out. Opened Limited. Stock is trading near all-time highs. This was the previous high, and it had huge volume and earnings on Monday, so just be cautious. On future segment, I am not trading anything on future segment currently because Nifty, as you know, it is below 20-day moving average, so I just avoid anything trading below 20-day moving average. And I'm not still super bearish on Nifty because these are the two levels it has to cross to convince me that it is bearish below this region and bullish above this region. So till then, I am considering it on a sideways market. So these are all positional trades, so I will not discuss it here. Maybe I will teach you some another weekend or something like that. Okay, so